Good morning, Patreon. Saturday. A new addition to the boat. Improv. Gotta take a break. These guys are gonna show us exactly how it is to take a wave. Shitty. Gotta prepare for a lot of that. Nice. So, revelations over revelations. As you can see, my neighbor is also a builder too. He's building all that on the boat. And this is what we've come up with. Just gotta get the connections from the store. Another one idea that we have is this guy with this guy with that boat and with some small lithium-ion batteries and with those solar panels. Let's see if that works, if we connect them all together and have them on the boat. Okay, many projects that have to be finished in the next week as I have to leave and pack everything in and leave. Get hopefully my cover on before the rain starts. Otherwise, I'm gonna have a big problem over the winter season with accumulating water in the bay here. Hey, life's good.